Crash course on Netherlands. Travel tips and itineraries. Welcome to a crash course on the Netherlands. In this section, I'll provide you with practical travel tips, itinerary suggestions, and budget-friendly options for visiting this beautiful country. Along the way, I'll share interesting stories and examples to excite your wanderlust. Afterward, we'll dive into the top 12 attractions in the Netherlands. Let's begin. Interesting stories and examples. 1. Biking adventures. The Netherlands is renowned for its bike-friendly culture. Join the locals and explore the country's picturesque landscapes and charming towns on two wheels. Pedal along the canals of Amsterdam or cycle through the colorful tulip fields in Lisse for a truly memorable experience. 2. The floating flower market. Visit the world-famous Bloemenmarkt in Amsterdam, a floating flower market where you can admire and purchase an array of vibrant blooms. Witness the beauty of tulips, a symbol deeply rooted in Dutch culture, and take home a bouquet as a fragrant souvenir. 3. Cheese delights. Indulge in the Netherlands cheese culture by visiting traditional cheese markets such as Alkmaar or Gouda. Witness the lively trading of cheese wheels and sample a variety of flavorful Dutch cheeses, from creamy Gouda to tangy Edam. Travel tips. 1. Transportation. The Netherlands has an excellent public transportation system, including trains, trams, and buses. Consider purchasing an OV chip card, a rechargeable smart card that provides convenient access to various modes of transport. 2. Weather. The Dutch weather can be unpredictable, so it's always a good idea to carry an umbrella or raincoat. Layer your clothing to accommodate changing temperatures, especially if you plan to explore multiple cities in a day. 3. Language. Dutch is the official language, but many Dutch people speak English fluently. Don't hesitate to ask for directions or seek assistance if needed. 4. Budget-friendly options. To save money, consider exploring free attractions like city parks, historic squares, and street markets. Take advantage of affordable street food and try local favorites such as herring or stroopwafels. Itinerary suggestions. 1. Amsterdam. Begin your journey in the vibrant capital city. Visit iconic attractions like the Anne Frank House, Rijksmuseum, and Van Gogh Museum. Take a scenic canal cruise and explore the trendy neighborhoods of Jordaan and De Piep. 2. Rotterdam. Experience the modern architecture and bustling atmosphere of Rotterdam. Don't miss the innovative Markthal, Euromast Tower, and the lively Wit de Witstraat filled with bars, restaurants, and art galleries. 3. The Hague. Discover the political center of the Netherlands. Explore the historic Binnenhof, admire the stunning Mauritshuis Art Museum, and take a peaceful stroll along the beautiful Scheveningen beach. 4. Utrecht. Immerse yourself in the charming city of Utrecht. Climb the Dom Tower for panoramic views, wander through the medieval city center, and relax in the lively cafes along the picturesque canals. 5. Keukenhof Gardens. If visiting in spring, don't miss the world-famous Keukenhof Gardens, showcasing millions of blooming flowers, including iconic tulips, hyacinths, and daffodils. 6. Zandschans. Step back in time at Zandschans, a picturesque open-air museum with traditional windmills, wooden houses, and artisanal workshops. Learn about the Dutch heritage of craftsmanship and witness the windmills in action. 7. Haarlem. Take a short trip to Haarlem, a charming city known for its well-preserved medieval architecture, vibrant Grote Markt, and the Frans Hals Museum, home to renowned Dutch masterpieces. 8. Maastricht. Explore the southernmost city of the Netherlands, known for its rich history, picturesque squares, and lively cafe culture. Visit the impressive St. Servaas Basilica and wander through the charming Old Town. 9. Groningen. Discover the vibrant student city of Groningen, filled with historic buildings, lively markets, and an energetic nightlife. Explore the Groningen Museum, stroll along the canals, and enjoy the youthful atmosphere. 10. Delft. Visit the city famous for its Delftware ceramics. Explore the charming streets, visit the Royal Delft Factory, and admire the iconic Oude Kerk, Old Church. 11. National Park Hoogvlietweg. Escape to nature in the Hoogvlietweg National Park, where you can cycle through heathlands, forests, and sand dunes, and visit the renowned Kröller-Müller Museum, home to an extensive Van Gogh collection. 12. Eindhoven. Delve into the innovative design and technology hub of Eindhoven. Visit the Philips Museum, explore the Streep S district, and immerse yourself in cutting-edge design at the Dutch Design Week. Summarizing this writing, the Netherlands offers a wealth of travel tips, itinerary suggestions, and budget-friendly options for visitors. From exploring the historic charm of Amsterdam to venturing off the beaten path in Groningen, there's something for every type of traveler. Embrace the Dutch culture, navigate the cities with ease, and immerse yourself in the beauty of the Netherlands. And now, a poem inspired by the enchanting landscapes and vibrant cities of the Netherlands. In the land of windmills and canals so grand, the Netherlands welcomes you to its enchanting land. From Amsterdam's streets to Utrecht's embrace, a tapestry of beauty awaits in every place. Bike along the tulip fields in colorful array, or stroll through historic streets that lead the way. Discover hidden gems and vibrant artistry. In Rotterdam, The Hague, and cities aplenty. Keukenhof's gardens, a blooming paradise. Zaand's Schans, where windmills mesmerize. Haarlem's elegance and Maastricht's grace. Each destination with its unique trace. From Delft's ceramics to Groningen's flair, the Netherlands' charm is beyond compare. Nature beckons in Hoogvlieraway's embrace. Eindhoven's innovation, a visionary space. So set your course and explore with glee. The Netherlands, a land of wonders to see. With travel tips and itineraries to guide, unforgettable adventures await, far and wide. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.